Seatbelt. Seatbelt is used to protect yourself and your family in case of an accident. But does everyone uses their seatbelt at all times? Not at all. Here's the thing. Your seatbelt is like your life insurance. You need it to protect yourself and your family in case of an accident. But is there anyone who wanted to use their life insurance immediately? Of course none. The question is, what seatbelt do you have right now that you needed to protect yourself and your family in case of an accident? Ask yourself.
For as low as 1 peso per day, accident insurance is available in the market. Talk to your preferred financial advisor now.